Let's take your motion graphics to the next level with Dynamic Link, creating a fun effect with tracking that's simple to do. Let's say we want something to float above our character's head. First, we duplicate our clip for safety because backups are fundamental. Then with our chosen clip, right-click and go to Replace with After Effects Composition. Our clip goes pink to signify the link. Now we're in After Effects with a copy of our original clip. Anything we do here will appear in Premiere. Let's first create a null object. That's where the tracking information is going to go. Then with our clip selected, head to the Tracker panel. If you don't have it open, head to Window, turn on Tracker. Then select Track Motion. With the Move tool selected, move your cross to a contrasty point on your character. Keep the small box tight to your selection and make the bigger box a little bit wider to include a little bit more of your area. This does work best on high contrast sections. Have it analyze forward and backwards. Bearing in mind, the longer your clip, the longer this may take. You may find that you have to tweak some frames, or better yet, just delete a few. After this, select Edit Target, have Null 1 selected, and then press Apply. Then with whatever the object is, have it parented to the null. Now if we head back to Premiere, we can see that it's done it. But we can add a cherry to the top by adding a color bleed from our object. Back in After Effects, let's make a shape above our character's head, add a Gaussian blur, and also parent it to the null. I'm going to change the scale a little bit. Now if we take a look, we have the yellow on her head, but it's kind of going to the sky as well. Here's when the masking comes in. We'll raise our linked layer above, grab our duplicated layer, and we'll mask out our subject. Let's make sure it tracks forwards and backwards, then change it to the opacity mask. Now we've got a version where the color's only on her head, and if we want to bring back the plum or Mr. Keyframe, all we have to do is select that as our mask instead and invert the process and make sure our dancer is masked out. Don't forget to retrack. And now we've got a shine above our character along with a moving object. We've now got a cool video with effects that will work in tons of scenarios. The possibilities are endless. If you're ready for more, I'll see you in the next one.